Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play single player in Left 4 Dead 2. To begin, simply launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, you'll find a straightforward option to start a solo campaign. This method ensures you can enjoy the game's story and action without needing other human players. Your AI teammates will automatically join you, providing essential support throughout your mission. Once you are in the main menu, locate and click on the Play option. Next, you will see Play Campaign. Select this to proceed. Before starting, confirm that the local server option is active. This setting ensures that the game runs on your computer, allowing for a smooth and uninterrupted single-player experience with your bot companions. Your AI teammates are surprisingly capable and will be a great asset. They automatically provide cover fire, helping to clear infected and special infected. If you get incapacitated, a bot will often come to revive you, and they can even share health packs or pain pills when needed. They generally stick close and follow your objectives, making them reliable companions. To truly excel in solo play, always keep an eye on your health and ammunition levels. Conserve your resources and pick up any supplies you find. Pay close attention to your surroundings and where your bots are positioned to avoid being overwhelmed. Using environmental elements like choke points or high ground can give you a significant advantage against the hordes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.